Okay, the concept of this video is to just go over synthetic division, and hopefully this will answer any of your questions that you have. Okay, so we have this problem, 6x to the fifth minus 7x plus 4 divided by x plus 1. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our divisor and we're going to flip the sign. And that's the sign that we use when we put it on the shelf. So this is what we call the shelf here. Okay, so that's one thing that you have to remember, is that you have to flip that sign or you'll end up with the wrong answer. So the next step that we're going to do is we're going to look at this. We have 6x to the fifth, and we're going to write out our numbers. So the first number is 6, but like we were talking about earlier, there's no x to the fourth, there's no x to the third, there's no x squared number. So when that happens, you have to put a replacement number in, and that number is going to be 0. So we're going to do 0, 0, 0, and then we're going to resume with -7 and then 4. From there, we draw our line. Remember, we drop the first number that is given, and then we multiply. So 6 times -1 is -6. If you remember that with this, we are going to add down. So when we add down, 0 plus -6 gives us a -6. And then we're back at the same spot here. We're going to multiply. -6 times -1, which gives us a +6. And remember, we add down. So again, that becomes a +6. Same step. We're going to divide by why do I keep saying divide? We're going to multiply by -1. And when we multiply, we get a -6. Remember, we add down, so 0 plus -6 is -6. Again, multiply, so 6 times -1, that gives us a +6. And then when we add down, -7 plus 6 gives us a -1. Back to multiply one last time. -1 times -1 gives us a +1. And when we add down, we end up with 5. So we're left with 6, -6, 6, -6, -1, and 5. I like to work backwards, so I like to start here and start labeling. So this is our remainder, this is our number, this is our x value, this is our x squared, this is our x to the third, and this becomes our x to the fourth. So then we just rewrite it. 6x to the fourth minus 6x to the third plus 6x squared minus 6x minus 1 with our remainder of +5 over x plus 1. And that is your answer for that problem. So the takeaways here for you, Tian, is remembering to flip your sign when you're placing it on the shelf, and then if you have a problem where you have the huge gaps between terms, remembering to fill them with zeros as placeholders. All right, if you have any questions, let me know and I will gladly help you. See you later.